gardener plant onions and radish in August? Because they wanted something to cry about while they chew on something crunchy. What we will grow in August. This is a simple guide to put great food in your soil and start now. The list will be as follows. We will be putting onion, radish, carrots, beetroot, peas and beans, as well as a little bit more lettuce. These are great for the cooler season. Some of our herbs, we will add thyme, we will add parsley, as well as some flowers. So we will have some sunflower seeds, and I'll show you where we will place them. So again, to start it off like we did, we have planted onions and radish interchangeably. So all the sticks are our onions and in between is our radish. This is a great seed to put in right now in August. All right. As we move across in your garden, please make sure that you plan better than we did. Add some wood chips, or like we did, just some sticks so you have somewhere to walk past, because the harvest is guaranteed. It just takes time. Next, we will be planting our beetroot, and as you can see, there is space here. So we will be putting our beans, and the reason is for nitrogen. So we've had obviously a little bit of small leaves on our beans, so we want to just add a little bit more nitrogen into the soil. Another thing we're going to do, a great companion thing, is that we are going to be removing the last end of our beetroot, and for a great companion is we're going to be adding garlic into that area. So garlic will be added. Lettuce has been added, and from beginning, lettuce is great with beetroot. As we come along, sorry my baby, bend them, move them over. As we can see here, we have our onions, which is done next to our cabbage, our carrots. Carrots are great to plant. We just put them in the soil as well, because August is a great time to be putting these into the soil. Repeat that again. So onions are really good with our carrots. What we will continue to add, you see we still have space, is we're going to add our onions right now in August. So if you are in August, put your carrots and your onions in the soil. As we move across, we have some beetroot, a really nice companion again for beetroot. And you can see that bee there is with us. Welcome, bee. Another really nice one to add with our beets obviously will be our beans. As you see in this space, two great companion plants we're going to add together. We're going to be adding 2 lines of carrots and then a radish as well, just 1 line of radish, great companion plants. Then we have our lavender plants that has been added, and again we're just trying to add as many scents into the garden. Lettuce is also really nice in this area. So we basically, onions is great, radish is great next to onions, carrots are also really nice next to onions. So ensure that you are putting things that are safe in companion with each other. If we move slightly back, we then have our peas. So our peas, we will be putting a trellis here. So a trellis is basically just a structure that we use to hold up the peas so that they can grow upwards. If we move slightly out from the peas, we do have then lettuce that has been planted with our onions. So our onions basically are going to repel any insects around our lettuce. And then right there is our parsley. So our parsley is also really great for the soil, and all areas that have parsley, we're also going to add our thyme seeds. So that's it. It's August, and now has never been a better time to turn your dry soil into dinner. Now is a good time. Let's put our seeds into the ground, because now is the time.